Hello, I'm Alicia. I hope you're doing as tremendously as possible. I heard a comment from Reggie Miller on NBA and NBC before the Rockets Thunder game that tipped off the NBA season this week, this coming season. This season's now underway, excuse me. And he said the Thunder are the second youngest team to ever win a championship, which is true. Then he said his opinion of that they're not far from, that's not word for word, but they're not far from being the Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen Chicago Bulls dynasty. And I'm like, okay, with NBA so NBA and NBC was a thing in the 90s. It ran from, I think, 1990 to 2002. So he may be trying to invoke that because the main, like, representing factor for NBA and NBC was the Bulls and their 6 titles in that decade, back-to-back three-peats, or three. They did a three-peat and then did a three-peat a couple years later. So he also may have been trying to promote, because he mentioned Jordan specifically, I believe. He also may be just trying to promote that Jordan is going to contribute on NBA and NBC. But at the end of the day, that's what he said, and that's insane. The Bulls won 6 championships. The Thunder have won 1. Even if you want to just count one of their three-peats, that's 3. Because definitely 3 in a row is a dynasty. No question. But the Thunder have won 1, so how are they closing in on a dynasty after winning 1? I mean, I'll say 3 and 4 is a dynasty. I'll say 4 and 6 is a dynasty. You know, like, but I I'll say 3 straight finals appearances are a dynasty, and say you win 2, lose 1. But I just am blown away by Miller's comment. I mean, but when we talk about the Jordan Pippen Bulls, how many of us are talking about 1 of their three-peats? When we're talking about the Bulls from the 90s, we're talking about their 6. They're 2 three-peats. So, he's saying that the Thunder are on the verge of that. But truly, even if it was 3, that's not... 1 is not closing in on 3. Thanks for watching. Not an NBA title sense. Thank you.